Hi, I'm Shin, and today finally, after half year from my previous video with Datsun, I can finally start working on him. And yeah, in this video I will not start, but tell some things like for first, this took me so much time to start working on it because I have a lot of problems. Yeah, but now I already moved the car to the barn and I can work on it. And if you didn't watch my first video, then as you can see, it's in not the best shape, this car. Yeah, but some things are working, right, like trunk. Yeah, but rust is everywhere. It's a lot of to do on this car, but I'm okay with that, to be honest. And yes, interior, in my opinion, it's in good shape. You can see it good here. Yeah, but let me show you from here. Yeah, there is a blue paint because when I have a car in previous place, kids get inside and start destroying it. Oh, you don't want to know what I did to them when I catch them. Yeah, but to be honest, it's in a really good shape. Oh, spider start working. Yeah, most of things I have, but not every. Yeah, and also I have an engine. Oh, I can open. Why? Oh, okay. It's Datsun 260, so this is 2.6 liter engine, and yes, and I already bought. Oh, I forgot a word, but you know, engine lifter and engine holder. And my plans to this car. For first, I want to took off parts from inside as much as I can because I want to lower weight of this car. Because also, sorry Dante. Because also a floor, it's in bad shape, and when I will want to put him on jacks, I don't want to I want him to fall, so I want to lower a weight. And when I do this, then I will start putting out mask and start preparing to put out an engine. After that, I will see what next. Probably I will try to take off a gearbox and other elements, because yeah, I want to start repairing all of it, but mainly when I put an engine, I will first unscrew everything from him, clean everything, mount again, and see if it works, because if not, then I will swap it to RB25 probably. But if it will works, then great, I will work with this engine. Yeah, and for now that will be all. So thank you for watching. See you in the next the next thing. I want to do these videos as weekly, probably at Sundays, because at Saturdays I will come work and try to do video for Sunday. But knowing my life, sometimes it can be difficult to me to do this, so I will really try, even just to do monthly videos, but I will try to do weekly. And yeah, so you probably know now everything what I wanted to say today. So thank you for watching. See you probably in the next week. Bye.